Hey, hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Karan and today I'll show you how to get 50% discount. In fact, I'll give you a coupon code and if you apply that coupon code, you'll get 50% discount. So before starting the video, let me make one thing clear that the link that you will use is a affiliate link, and if you buy through that link, I'll get some commission and it will not cost you any extra amount. So without doing any further delay, let's see how to get 50% discount, and even I'll show you how to buy a domain name and hosting from WPX hosting. So to get 50% discount, you need to go to your URL and type SERP Sprouts, SERPSPROUTS.com /RECOMMENDS/WPX, right? And then click enter. Once you click enter, this link will take you to WPX hosting. Now what you have to do is either you can go down, right, and click start now, or you can go to pricing and start click on WordPress hosting. Once you have done all these things, just make one thing clear that the coupon code will only work on monthly subscription, and it will not work on yearly subscription. So if you want to go for yearly subscription, it will not work. So my suggestion is to go for monthly subscription, and the coupon code will work in all these three plans: business, professional, and elite. So I'll show you how to buy business plan. So let me show you. Right now it will cost you almost $25, and you can host almost 5 websites, and you'll get 10 GB storage, 100 GB bandwidth, and WPX has its own cloud CDN. So this will make your website more fast, right? And the key thing is that WPX hosting support is one of the best support in hosting industry. So let's get started. Click on get started. WPX hosting currently has three hosting servers. One is in US, one is in UK, and the last is in AU. Depending upon your audience, like if you're targeting US audience, you can select US. If you're targeting UK or any country nearby UK, you can select UK. And if you're targeting Australia, New Zealand, or any country which is nearby Australia, you can go for this. So as my target audience is in India, and I have option to choose UK and AU, because the distance of India between India and UK is almost India and UK and India and Australia is almost same. So what I'll do is I'll go for UK hosting. Once you click on that, it will take you to the next page. That is step one. Here you can see that you have two options: hosting only. Like if you just want hosting and you have a domain name, or you thought of buying domain from any other domain provider, you can choose this one. But as I mentioned earlier, that I'll show you how to buy a domain name and hosting. So let's click on this section. I need a domain name and hosting. So as you can see that there are different extensions here. So suppose you want to find like more than one option, you can tick on that. But I only want .com, and I have already decided my domain name. So my, let's say I want to buy Hindi Ville, right? So type your domain name, whatever domain you have selected. Like I have selected Hindi Ville, so I'll go for hindiville.com and I'll click on continue. Once I click on continue, it will show me that if the domain name is available or not, and you can see that this domain name is available, and here you can see for what period you want to buy this hosting. So they have three options like 1 year, 2 year, and 3 year. and let's say I want for 1 year, and in fact I can renew once the host domain name uh, is about to expire. So let's click on order now. So once you click on order now, here if you change your mind and want to go for 2 years or 3 years, you can change from here. Name servers, as I'm choosing domain name from the same company WPX Hosting, I don't need to do anything here. If you are like host, if you are going through going to buy a domain from a different service provider, you can change the name servers here, but I will advise you don't do anything right now. Once you buy your hosting, you can change the name server anytime you want. So sorry guys. And what here you can see that use main contact details I provide during checkout, is it's asking uh, so if you want this, you can select, or you don't want, so let it be like that. The main part is here, how to get 50% discount. You have to use a coupon code that I will give you, and once you use the coupon code, you will get a hosting, right? So I what you have to type is SERP Sprouts, SERPSPROUTS, right? And make sure that all the letters in SERP Sprouts should be in caps, and if it is not in capital, the coupon code will not work. So let me apply and see. You can see that special extra discount is 12.50 USD. Like I'm getting 12.50 USD. Initially, my hosting price was 24.99, and now I'm getting 12.50 discount. Now you have, what you have to do is click on continue. Once you click on continue, it will take you to the next page, and it will give you two options, like you want to go for monthly or you want to go for yearly, and it will say that you can save 50 $50 USD if you go yearly plan. But if your budget allows and you can pay $250 $250 USD, definitely you should go for yearly plan, because you can save 50% $50. But if your budget doesn't allow, you can simply go for this plan and you will get 12.50 discount. So I'll go for this one and I'll click on continue. So you can check that everything is like right or not. Whatever you have, check the domain name, if the domain name is correct or not. Sometimes what happens is by mistake we do typos and we tend to buy that typo mistake domain name. So to avoid that, please check your details, and you can see that domain registrar is Hindi Vile 1 year. It is costing me $10.99, and hosting, that is 24.99, and you can see here the discount is applied 12.50, and that means I'm getting 23.49 discount, right? Now what I have to do is, if you are a new client, you can select on new client, and if you are already, you have a account, you can click on already registered. Now type your login ID and type your password. Click on login. So now you can see that I have logged in, and here you can see whatever address and details you have earlier mentioned on your account, it will be mentioned here. So you don't need to do anything, you just need to choose the payment details. Like if you want to go for this Visa, MasterCard, or this plan, you can choose that, but I'll go for PayPal, as I prefer to pay through PayPal. So now I'll click on checkout. This is the policy that if you want to read, you can read. I will say that it is a good idea to read the complete but as for I don't have that much time and the video, I don't want to extend the video. That's why you can read the main parts, whatever is you feel that important to you, and click on accept. Right now you can again click on checkout. So I had some issues with the PayPal payment, so I'll go for credit card payment. So I have selected, went to the invoice, and I went to the invoice and selected, and you can see here you have the option to select your payment method. So I'll select credit card and click on pay now. I'll enter all my credit card details. Right, and select the, so now click on continue. It will ask an OTP. Just enter the OTP. I'll pause here, and once the payment is done, now you can see the payment is done. So this is how you can get 50% discount on WPX hosting. So in the next video I'll show you what to do and how to install WordPress and other stuffs. So thank you friends, thank you for watching my channel. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel, and if possible, mm, write in the comment section that what you want in the next video, or if you face any problem you can write in the comment section. I'll get back to you. Thank you very much.